Welcome, dreamers, to a journey where the magic of the $246,000 law of attraction money affirmation unfolds. Ever wondered why this specific sum holds such transformative power? To uncover its secrets, close your eyes, find your most comfortable position, and put on your headphones for the ultimate experience. In the next few moments, we'll delve into a realm of imagination, affirmation, and manifestation. The power of this revelation lies beyond the numbers. It's a key to unlock prosperity, happiness, and success. Ready to discover the secret to your dreams? Close your eyes and let the enchantment begin. In the quiet recesses of our minds, there lies a profound force waiting to be unleashed, a force that transcends the ordinary, a force that binds us together on a journey to manifest our deepest desires. Welcome to a realm where the echoes of the law of attraction weave a tapestry of abundance and fulfillment. We embark on this voyage not as individuals, but as a collective, bound by a shared vision of prosperity and joy. In the shadows of our existence, we find the $246,000 law of attraction money affirmation, an affirmation that transcends the mundane and taps into the cosmic energies that shape our reality. As we delve into this profound truth, let us tread the path of self-control and fortitude. Picture, if you will, a serene landscape where the air is thick with possibilities. Feel the energy coursing through your veins as we whisper the mantra, abundance flows effortlessly. Prosperity is my birthright. Continue with me on this manifestation journey, a journey that requires us to navigate the labyrinth of our own minds. In this sacred space, imagine an ethereal realm where every corner is adorned with the currency of your dreams. Close your eyes and let the imagery unfold. A landscape draped in the hues of wealth, a sanctuary where financial worries dissolve like mist in the morning sun. Take a moment to envision your hands caressing the crisp bills, feeling the texture beneath your fingertips. This is not a mere fantasy. This is the reality we conjure with the magic of our intentions. As we traverse this landscape, let the mantra resonate within. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Abundance is drawn to me effortlessly. In this imaginary place, witness the dance of happiness that unfolds with each step. The currency is not just a means to an end, but a gateway to joy, fulfillment, and boundless opportunities. See yourself surrounded by loved ones, sharing laughter, and basking in the warmth of shared success. With conviction, let the mantra echo, my life is a magnet for happiness and success. Every moment is a step towards my dreams. So as we linger in this utopian realm, let the magic mantras of the law of attraction weave their spell. Feel the energy surge within as we chant, I attract wealth with ease. My thoughts create my reality. Repeat these words, not as a mere recitation, but as a declaration to the universe, a proclamation that echoes across the cosmic fabric, aligning the energies in our favor. In the quiet moments between these mantras, allow the stillness to envelop you. This is the space where we conquer destructive emotions, where resilience takes root. As the echoes of the mantras fade, let the silence speak of inner strength and unwavering belief. For in the tapestry of the law of attraction, Every thought is a brushstroke, and every emotion shapes the masterpiece of our existence. As we conclude this journey, carry with you the resonance of our collective manifestation. The 246,000 Law of Attraction money affirmation is not a mere number. It is a symbol of the boundless possibilities that await us. With fortitude and self-control, we pave the way for a future where abundance is not a distant mirage, but an undeniable reality. Let the echoes of our collective mantras linger in your soul. And as you step back into the world, remember that the power to shape your destiny resides within. We are not just seekers of wealth, we are architects of our own reality. The journey continues, and with each step, we draw closer to the fulfillment of our dreams. I am the creator of my destiny. Abundance is my birthright. I attract wealth effortlessly. My life is a magnet for happiness and success. As we part ways, carry these mantras in your heart and let the law of attraction be your guiding light on this extraordinary journey. Now, as we emerge from the depths of our collective manifestation, let's take a moment to ground ourselves in the present. Feel the solid earth beneath your feet, anchoring the visions and mantras in the realm of the tangible. We are not detached dreamers. We are conscious creators, shaping our destinies with intention and purpose. In the wake of our journey, let the $246,000 law of attraction money affirmation echo in your consciousness. It's not just a sum, it's a symbol of financial freedom, a key that unlocks the doors to a life lived on our terms. Picture yourself standing at the threshold of a new chapter, holding this symbolic key in your hands. With a deep breath, affirm, I am open to receiving abundance in all its forms. I hold the key to my financial destiny. As we traverse the landscapes of our daily lives, let's carry the essence of our manifestation journey. A journey that transcends the barriers of doubt and limitation. Visualize the challenges that may arise as mere ripples in the vast sea of possibilities. In the face of adversity, let the mantra be your shield. I am resilient. Challenges are stepping stones to my success. Close your eyes for a moment and visualize the path ahead. See yourself walking with purpose and determination. Every step resonates with the echo of our collective mantras, creating a harmonious melody that guides you forward. With each stride, affirm, I am in control of my thoughts. I am the architect of my reality. Now let's delve deeper into the realm of self-control and fortitude. Picture yourself in a serene garden, a metaphor for your inner world. In this garden, the flowers represent your thoughts, and the weeds symbolize doubts and fears. With a steady hand, pluck the weeds, allowing only the vibrant thoughts of abundance and prosperity to flourish. As you tend to this mental garden, repeat the mantra. I cultivate thoughts of abundance. My mind is a fertile ground for success. In the quiet moments of introspection, acknowledge that the journey to manifesting wealth is not without its twists and turns. However, with unwavering faith in the law of attraction, you navigate these bends with grace. Picture yourself as a captain steering a ship through stormy seas, with the lighthouse of your dreams guiding the way. Whisper to the wind, I am steadfast in my journey. My destination is wealth, happiness, and success. As we bring this philosophical yet accessible Guide to a close, let the resonance of our collective energy linger. We are not solitary travelers. We are a community bound by the pursuit of a shared dream. With the $246,000 law of attraction, money affirmation etched in our minds, let's move forward with purpose and conviction. As you open your eyes and return to the present moment, carry these mantras with you. Feel the power of the law of attraction coursing through your veins. With each breath, reaffirm, I am a magnet for wealth and success. Every moment is an opportunity for abundance. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We move forward together, united by the threads of our collective vision. In the tapestry of life, may your path be adorned with prosperity, joy, and the fulfillment of your deepest desires. The $246,000 law of attraction, money affirmation, is not just a number, it's a testament to the boundless potential that resides within you. As we part ways, carry this wisdom in your heart and let the magic of manifestation continue to unfold in your life. As we stand at the crossroads of our destinies, remember that the power to transform your life lies within the recesses of your thoughts. The $246,000 law of attraction money affirmation is not a distant goal. It's a beacon that illuminates the path to your financial abundance. With each passing day, let these mantras echo in your mind, guiding you towards the realization of your dreams. As you navigate the currents of life, know that challenges are but opportunities in disguise. With self-control and fortitude, you shape your responses to adversity, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Repeat after me, I am resilient. Challenges only make me stronger. I am the master of my fate. I shape my destiny with purpose. And so, our collective journey through the realms of imagination, affirmation, and manifestation comes to a close. You are not a mere spectator in the theater of life. You are the protagonist, the director of your narrative. With a $246,000 law of attraction, money affirmation as your script, paint the canvas of your reality with hues of prosperity, happiness, and success. As we part ways, let the echoes of our shared mantras linger in your soul. Carry the wisdom of the law of attraction in your heart, for it is a timeless force that transcends the boundaries of time and space. In the grand tapestry of existence, you are the weaver of your fate, the author of your story. And so go forth with unwavering faith and conviction. Embrace the journey with open arms, for every moment is a canvas waiting to be painted with the strokes of your intentions. May the $246,000 law of attraction money affirmation be the guiding star that leads you to the shores of abundance. In the symphony of life, play your part with passion and purpose. The universe is listening, responding to the vibrations of your thoughts. As you step into the tapestry of your future, do so with the understanding that you are not alone. We, the collective energy of manifestation, stand beside you, propelling you towards the fulfillment of your desires. In the dance of existence, may your steps be filled with abundance, joy, and the sweet melody of success. This is not just a journey, it's a transformation. Go forth, fellow traveler, and let the magic of the law of attraction weave its wonders in the tapestry of your reality. The journey continues, and with every breath, you create the symphony of your existence. May it be harmonious, prosperous, and filled with the sweet fragrance of success. The universe awaits your command, and with these mantras, you wield the wand of creation. Believe, manifest, and thrive. As we conclude this transformative journey, reflect on the significance of the $246,000 law of attraction money affirmation. In the cosmic dance of energy and intention, this specific amount serves as a symbolic resonance, aligning with the vibrational frequencies of financial abundance. The universe, it seems, responds uniquely to this magical number, opening the gates to a world where dreams become reality. Now that you've glimpsed the secrets behind this extraordinary affirmation, remember to carry its wisdom into your daily life. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, wisdom, and transformative experiences. Like this video if the resonance of abundance has touched your soul. Together, let's continue weaving the tapestry of dreams and manifestation. Until next time, may your journey be filled with prosperity, joy, and the sweet melody of success. Subscribe, like, and let the magic unfold.